A lot of it is legalized, and when they find out that someone has drugs on them, unless they're a dealer, they're dealt completely with differently.
Right. So it's a huge problem in Utah. Why is it such a huge problem over here? A third in the nation? We're all the way up over there. And
It is. I think a lot of it is we're kind of behind that learning curve still, where we need to figure out how to take care of it. Portugal is one of the countries that has figured that out. Our prison system is overwhelmed.
Haven't they legalized most of drugs in Portugal?
Yeah, a lot of it is legalized. And when they find out that someone has drugs on them, unless they're a dealer, they're dealt completely with differently.
Right.
But if someone actually has some kind of an addiction, they don't send them to jail. They actually have kind of a court system. In Utah, we're slowly doing the drug court, and we're kind of catching up. It really has hit us really hard. The western states are a little bit behind. It's just really in this whole area is just super hard, and so we're just
trying to get up to speed. Thanks for listening to the Adrian Sinclair Show. You can find previous episodes on the Apodcast multi-channel network at apodcast.com. You can also stream this podcast on Spotify, iTunes, Google Podcasts, Podbean, and other audio platforms. And if you subscribe to our weekly newsletter, you'll get convenient short summaries of podcasts you may have missed. So check it out. And lastly, please support us by sharing our episodes on social media. We really appreciate it. Thanks.